Setting: a futuristic observatory on Earth equipped with advanced technology. Characters: Dr. Elena Martinez, an experienced astronomer; Jake, her enthusiastic young intern; ARIS, the observatory's AI assistant. Plot kickoff: the discovery of a mysterious signal from the outer solar system. 2. The Sun, the solar system's heartbeat. Journey begins. Dr. Martinez and Jake, guided by ARIS, start their exploration at the Sun. Description: detailed explanation of the Sun's structure, its role in the solar system, and the importance of its energy. Story element: the team observes a solar flare, highlighting the Sun's power and the need for advanced technology to study it. 3. Mercury, the swift messenger. Travel: the narrative moves to Mercury, emphasizing its proximity to the Sun and extreme conditions. Description: Mercury's surface, temperature variations, and lack of atmosphere. ARIS shares historical data on past missions, like Messenger, as the team imagines what it would be like to stand on Mercury. 4. Venus, the veiled planet. Transition: from Mercury to Venus, discussing the challenges of exploring Venus due to its thick atmosphere. Description: Venus's volcanic landscape, greenhouse effect, and atmospheric pressure. Story element: the characters discuss the possibility of ancient oceans on Venus, speculating on what might have been. 5. Earth, the blue marble. Home planet. The team reflects on Earth's unique qualities that support life. Description: Earth's atmosphere, water cycle, and biosphere. Story element: a brief interlude where Dr. Martinez recalls her first inspiration to study the stars, emphasizing Earth's preciousness. 6. Mars, the red planet. Next stop: the journey continues to Mars, exploring human fascination with the planet. Description: Mars's surface features, potential for past life, and current missions like Perseverance. Story element: Jake shares his dream of being part of a future Mars colony, discussing the challenges and excitement of such a mission. 7. Jupiter, the giant guardian. The narrative shifts to the largest planet in the solar system. Description: Jupiter's size, great red spot, and numerous moons. The team virtually visits Europa, discussing its potential for life due to its subsurface ocean. 8. Saturn, the ringed wonder. Iconic rings. Exploration of Saturn's stunning ring system. Description: the composition of Saturn's rings, its atmosphere, and notable moons like Titan and Enceladus. Story element: ARIS provides a virtual simulation of flying through the rings, offering a mesmerizing experience. 9. Uranus, the tilted giant. Ice giant. Focus on Uranus's unique axial tilt and composition. 9. Uranus, the tilted giant. Ice giant. Focus on Uranus's unique axial tilt and composition. Description: Uranus's atmosphere, seasons, and magnetic field. Story element: a discussion about the mysteries of Uranus's moons and why the planet orbits on its side. 10. Neptune, the windy blue world. Neptune's strong winds and vibrant blue color. Description: Neptune's storms, its moon Triton, and the Kuiper belt. The team debates the feasibility of sending a mission to Neptune and Triton, inspired by Voyager 2's flyby. 11. Dwarf planets and beyond. Pluto and friends. The journey extends to the dwarf planets in the Kuiper belt. Description: characteristics of Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. Story element: a reflection on the New Horizons mission and what it revealed about Pluto's complex geology. 12. The Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. Edge of the solar system. Exploration of the distant regions. Description: the composition of the Kuiper belt and the hypothetical Oort cloud. Story element: the team speculates on the origins of comets and the vastness of the solar system's boundary. 13. Conclusion. Reflection: the team returns to the observatory, pondering the vastness and beauty of the solar system. Future plans. Dr. Martinez and Jake discuss upcoming missions and the endless possibilities of space exploration. Final thoughts. Emphasis on the importance of continuing to explore and understand our cosmic neighborhood. Story. Chapter 1. The Signal. In the heart of the Mojave Desert, the state-of-the-art observatory hummed with activity. Dr. Elena Martinez, a seasoned astronomer with a passion for the stars, paced in front of a large screen displaying a perplexing signal. Jake, her eager young intern, watched with wide eyes as ARIS, the observatory's AI assistant, analyzed the data. Dr. Martinez, this signal is definitely coming from the outer regions of our solar system, ARIS reported in its smooth, synthetic voice. Elena nodded thoughtfully. It's time we took a journey through our solar system, Jake. Let's explore the marvels that lie within our celestial neighborhood, starting with the source of all life, the Sun. Chapter 2. The Sun, the solar system's heartbeat. The Sun, a colossal sphere of plasma, dominated the observatory's main screen. Its surface roiled with energy, solar flares shooting out like fireworks. Imagine standing here, Elena said, pointing at the Sun's photosphere. The heat is unbearable, but this star is our lifeline. ARIS displayed a simulation of a solar flare. The Sun's energy drives weather patterns on Earth and provides the necessary light for photosynthesis. As they watched, a massive solar flare erupted, and the observatory's instruments captured the event in real time. Jake's eyes widened. Incredible. The power of the Sun is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Chapter 3. Mercury, the swift messenger. Next, the journey took them to Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet. ARIS zoomed in on its cratered surface, stark and barren. Mercury has almost no atmosphere, Elena explained. Temperatures swing from scorching hot to freezing cold. Jake imagined the desolate landscape. It's hard to believe anything could survive here. True, but Mercury's unique orbit and proximity to the Sun make it a fascinating object of study, ARIS added, showing data from past missions like Messenger. Chapter 4. Venus, the veiled planet. The narrative transitioned to Venus, shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid. ARIS simulated a descent through the atmosphere, revealing the volcanic landscape below. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its size and composition, Elena noted, but its conditions are hellish. Jake frowned. Did it ever have oceans like Earth? Possibly, Elena said. Some scientists believe Venus could have had liquid water before a runaway greenhouse effect took over. Chapter 5. Earth, the blue marble. They paused to reflect on Earth, the only planet known to support life. ARIS displayed stunning images of Earth from space, emphasizing its vibrant blue oceans and green continents. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field protect us from harmful solar radiation, Elena said. It's a delicate balance. Jake smiled, remembering his first night under a starry sky. It makes you appreciate our planet even more. Chapter 6. Mars, the red planet. The journey continued to Mars, the red planet. ARIS showcased its dusty surface, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons. Mars has always intrigued us, Elena said. Its potential for past life and future colonization keeps it at the forefront of space exploration. Jake's eyes sparkled. I dream of being part of a Mars colony. Imagine the challenges and discoveries. Chapter 7. Jupiter, the giant guardian. Jupiter, the solar system's behemoth, loomed large on the screen. ARIS highlighted the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth. Jupiter's massive size and gravity protect the inner planets by capturing comets and asteroids, Elena explained. ARIS simulated a journey to Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa's subsurface ocean could harbor life. It's a prime candidate for future missions. Chapter 8. Saturn, the ringed wonder. The iconic rings of Saturn captivated their attention next. ARIS provided a virtual flyby, showing the ring's intricate structure. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock particles, Elena said. They're a beautiful yet transient feature. Jake marveled at the simulation. Flying through those rings must be an incredible sight. ARIS highlighted Titan and Enceladus, moons with potential for life. These moons are of great interest due to their unique environments. Chapter 9. Uranus, the tilted giant. Uranus, with its peculiar axial tilt, came into focus. ARIS detailed its methane-rich atmosphere and faint rings. Uranus rotates on its side, likely due to a massive collision,